Okay, so let's talk about what you need to do to be able to do things. So let's talk about this seriously, because I live in Romania, and if something happened in Romania, I have the ability to bail. So let's talk about the obvious things. The first thing you need is a passport. If you do not have a passport, you're a dickhead. That's the first thing you need. Second thing you need is money. You need to have money and access to money. Because a lot of people go, oh, I have money, I've got this house and I own this land. That's not money. If the commercial property you own downtown, is that worth money right now? Who the fuck is buying that? It's on fire. You gotta wait for like insurance and shit. No one's buying that. That's not money. You need liquid money, either crypto or cash. Second thing you need. Third thing is you need some kind of local connect. I mean, it's very difficult to just fly to a country and just land. I mean, you can just exist, but if you're trying to start your life again, let's say you want to start your life again in Bulgaria, the paperwork, you know, the bullshit involved, you need someone there locally who can help you. I didn't just come to Romania by myself and just like work it all out. I had Romanians who helped me. I can't even speak the language. The paperwork was a nightmare. Visas, residence permits, even paying my electricity bill, everything was a fucking nightmare here. So you need local connects as well. So let's keep track of the list. You need at least one passport. 2, you need some money. 3, you need local connects. That's level 1. That's the basics that everyone watching this should have. And you should prepare, because you cannot fix America, but you can fix your own life if America goes too far downhill, which I believe has already gone downhill. Because this is just the beginning. This crap's going to happen again and again and again. You're going to repair your store. And then what, 3 years from now? Again. It's bullshit. So then you move on to level 2. Level 2 is you have more than one passport. Because different passports give you access to different countries for different lengths of time. Also, if a country bans you, or if a country, more fails, you need more than one passport, because maybe your passport gets blocked. So let's imagine you went out to peacefully protest and then you ended up getting caught up in this riot, and then they ended up finding out who you are and banning your travel. Well, if you had a Nigerian or an English passport, you could fly on that instead, and you could get out of America and never return. So you need a second passport. Then as for money, you need more money. I think if you have 100, 200,000 liquid sitting, you'll be okay most places for quite a long time to start your life again and start making money at least. That's the minimum, bare minimum. 3, you need a local connect with serious connections. And this is an important point, because when I went to Sweden, everyone was messaging me all the time. If you're in Sweden, if you need anything, let me know. But every time I asked for something, they couldn't get it for me. So most people are such low level that even if you think, oh, I know someone in Sweden, yeah, but he can't help you. You need a serious connect. If someone came here to Romania and they needed something and I wanted to help them, I can get you a machine gun, I can get you an army tank, I can get you immunity from prosecution, I can get you 10 big booty cuties, I can get you a Lamborghini, I can get you, what do you need? I'll make it happen, because I have genuine connections. Most people have no connections. When I went to Stockholm, I was like, all right, I need a table in the best club. Oh, it's quite busy tonight. I don't know. What? This is your city. You live here. The fuck, you can't even get a table in the club? I didn't even ask for a fucking gun or a grenade. Like, I want both of them things too. You can't even get a table in a fucking club, you idiot. So level 2 is genuine connections, genuine resource, and more than one passport. And that moves us on to the war room, because if you join the war room, you instantly get access to all of these things. You instantly have access to a network of over 400 people all around the world, all of which understand the workings of the world. Many multimillionaires, me, myself. So you get genuine access to a network that you can message in the group. I need to leave America right now. Who's where? Who has an empty apartment I need for a month, for example. And bang, done. That's the first thing. Second thing, you learn how to make money online, because making money online makes you geographically independent. This is the thing about making money online. You no longer have a geographical restriction. And that's what's happening during these riots. The people who have their businesses on some fucking high street can't move the business and it's getting destroyed. You can't destroy my businesses. I mean, the casinos, I guess you could destroy, but I have a private security company, which would be very difficult to deal with. So imagine that shit. If these riots happened in Romania, man, I'd have security outside every single fucking casino armed.
Yep. With the gun. I don't
Battens,
understand why
gas.
it's hard.
Bro, Battens, gas, and fucking guns. You ain't coming in this casino.
No fucking
There's too much money.
All the money Target has and Best Buy and Nike, I don't know why they don't just hire.
Because it's a PR disaster.
Yeah.
That's why. But for me, look, I'm going to put a video up in my casinos now. If anyone tried to riot in my casinos, I have two security companies. I have an official security company and an unofficial security company. So if you come and you cause a little bit of trouble, we call the official security company and you get kicked out. If you come and you cause a lot of trouble, we call the unofficial security and you disappear. My casino's fucking bulletproof. You ain't coming rioting my shit. So my casinos, I've got 13 across the country. But yeah, these riots happen. My assets will be protected, but a lot of my income's online. Most of you guys know I make money with webcam girls and a few other things. So most of my income's online. So through the war room, not only do you get the network, but you also get the ability to make money online, which makes you geographically independent. And another question for you people asking, let me tell you something. Most people don't realize how much their life is restricted by money. Everything you think you like, you don't like. You just have settled for. I choose any car I want. You haven't chose the car you want. Oh, I really wanted this Honda. No, you didn't want the Honda. You wanted a Lambo. You just can't afford a Lambo. You are restricted. So the things you choose are based within a narrow window of finance. If you have unlimited finance, you wouldn't do the things you do. You wouldn't drive the car you drive. You wouldn't live where you live. You wouldn't even fuck the girl you fuck. You wouldn't have married that bitch because you did it all because you're broke. So when you open up the possibilities, you start to realize that you don't actually want your life. Do you really want to live in America? If I gave you $25 million today, would you still live in America? And if you think about it long and hard and you look at a map of the world, you'd probably go, no, I fucking wouldn't. So as soon as you start making money, you're going to be looking for an exit plan anyway, because there's much better places on earth to be. There's nothing in America you can't find everywhere else without the crap that goes along with it. Like American propaganda with this whole, we're free, the most free to do what? What are you free to do? What freedom do you have that I don't have in Romania, a second world country? You don't have any freedom, complete garbage. And then they go, oh yeah, but you know, in these other countries, if you upset the dictator or you talk bad about the government, oh yeah, okay, yeah, America's super, yeah, look, all the people are getting destroyed in America in court for no reason. You can't even dump your wife in America without getting destroyed. There's no freedom in America. It's garbage. It's a shit place to be. So if you had unlimited finance, you wouldn't be anyway. So what happens when people join the war room, usually in the first few months, once they start making money and are talking to all these people all around the world, they start looking at plans of getting out of the Western countries, America, England, etc. And I don't blame them. War room members can co-own casinos. Yes, war room members can get percentages of casinos, either by merit or investment. But that's something we discuss inside the war room. When you join the war room, you're given a full breakdown on how the war room works, start to finish, and the casinos are included in that. Because the casinos are residual money. So on my Twitter, I'll try and find it. There's a video of me viewing the cameras at the casinos. So the casinos are probably the closest thing I've ever found to passive income in the world. People come and spend money. The machine tracks all the money. I can check on real time on my phone. No one can steal from me. It's all fully traceable. And I make money for no reason. I have a couple members of staff. I have a security company. Bang, done. The casinos are amazing. And money allows you to live a life worth living. I've been to 72 countries. I've done everything. There's nothing I wanted to do I haven't done. That's the life I currently live. And if you're honest with yourself, you'll sit there and go, well, no, I don't live that life yet. There are things I want to do I can't afford to do. There's pussy I want to fuck I can't fuck that won't fuck me. There's cars I want to drive I can't buy. There's places I want to go I haven't been, etc. And that is your problem. And the biggest problem you have is that all of these things are only enjoyable when you're young. As a man, you need to be at the height of your powers. There's no point in saving up and doing them when you're 60. You got to do them now. And I can help you do that because I'm a kind man. So if you're looking at these riots, what you should be sitting and considering is that they're not going to get any better. They're going to continue to get worse. Do I have the personal sovereignty required to bail if I so choose? Because you live one life and you shouldn't be living in fear of fucking getting caught up in a riot or your business getting set on fire. And if the answers to those things are no, then you need someone who can help you. If you wanted to learn piano, would you just start pressing keys by yourself, or would you hire a piano teacher? It's a genuine question. And the answer is probably I would hire a piano teacher, I'm assuming, because if you have half a brain, I mean, I learned to fight. I had a teacher who taught me how to fight. So if you want to learn how to make money and have geographical independence, you'd learn from somebody who has money and geographical independence. Surely you understand that very basic logic. And I can teach you. But only if you earn it, because everything in life has to be mutual. I want something for teaching you. Why would I teach you for no reason? And what I want in return for teaching you the secrets to the universe is for you to be a member of my war room army so we can conquer Earth. Very simple, isn't it?